Hello friends, this PPT is made by Omkar Nikam, my friend Rohit Pendare and Sarthak Patil. We are presenting presentation on transformer. The transformer is a static device which is used to transfer electrical energy from one AC circuit to another AC circuit. Input to a transformer and output from a transformer both are alternating quantities. Electrical energy is generated and transmitted at an extremely high voltage. The voltage is to be then reduced to a lower value for its domestic and industrial use. This is done by using transformer. The power transmission system using transformer is shown in the figure. When the transformer changes the voltage level, it changes the current level also. Basic principle: the primary winding is connected to the single phase AC supply and AC current start flowing through it. The AC primary current produces an alternating flux in the core. Most of the changing flux get linked with the secondary winding through the core. The varying flux will induce voltage into the secondary winding according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Voltage level changes but frequency time period remains same. There is no electrical contact between the two windings and electrical energy get transferred from primary to secondary. A simple transformer consists of two electrical conductors called the primary winding and secondary winding. Energy is coupled between the winding by the time varying magnetic flux that passes through links both primary and secondary winding. Can the transformer operate DC? Answer is no. The transformer action does not take place with the direct current of constant magnitude because with a DC primary current the flux produced in the core is not alternating but it is of constant value. As there is no change in the flux linkage with the secondary winding, the induced EMF is secondary is 0. If DC is applied to the primary, then there is a possibility of transformer core saturation. If core saturates, the primary will draw excessive large current, therefore application of DC should be avoided. The transformer types. The transformer are different types depending on the arrangement of a core and winding as follow: core type, shell type, berry type. The magnetic core is a stock of thin silica steel lamina about 0.35 mm thick for 50 Hz transformer. In order to reduce the eddy currents losses, these lamination are insulated from one another to thin layers by varnish. This is figure of core type transformer. Shell type transformer. Difference between core type transformer and shell type transformer is: first, the core has only one window, and in shell the core has two windows. Second point, in core type transformer, winding encircles the core. Shell type, core encircles the winding. Core types: cylindrical winding are used. Shell type, sandwich type winding are used. Core easy to repair, and shell type it is not easy to repair. Core type transformer better cooling since more surface is exposed to the atmospheric. Shell type cooling is not very effectively. Construction: the most important parts of transformer are the winding coils and the core. Some other parts such as suitable tanks, convertible